promised you guys I would give you a review of this Tula skincare so poreless deep exfoliating blackhead scrub. Can't deny the packaging is beautiful. This is the first Tula product that I have tried. Now I have very oily acne prone skin. The price here, because I can't remember at the moment. So purifying, so poreless, powered by pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel. This deeply exfoliating scrub helps purify pores and minimize the look of blackheads. Good for you ingredients like probiotics, raspberry leaf, and pomegranate reveal smoother, softer, and more balanced skin. And it says you should use this 2 to 3 times a week. Gently massage in circular motions. Made in the USA. This says deep exfoliating. I wouldn't personally agree with that. Again, this is just my review. Actual scrub is nice too. That's what it looks like. Nice purple. It has these little exfoliants. I wouldn't say this is deep. If you like something that doesn't feel super aggressive on your face, you're gonna like this. I'm not saying that I'm looking for something super aggressive, but if you say like you're a scrub, I want it to feel like in the middle, you know? It's like a jelly. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna dirty myself right now to show you. But I just feel like if you do this, you have to wet your hands a lot. Jelly just like runs and it like disappears. I don't know how to explain it, but my skin feels nice. It feels clean. It doesn't feel like I have any residue when I use this. Liked it to feel a little more intense since you're saying is a deep exfoliator. But if you have sensitive skin, then yes, I would highly recommend this. With any like scrub, they don't recommend that you use it every day, more like 2 to 3 times a week. So if you just want to start with one time, then fine. But I'm not saying it's a bad product. I do prefer my scrubs a little more like heavy duty. Worked great, didn't break me out. That's like the most important. I have used it at least 2 weeks now. It smells nice, not too heavy at all. The ingredients sound amazing for you. So saying I'm not gonna keep using it. This one, I don't feel like a little goes a long way. I really had to apply and apply and apply to like for it to feel nice for me. I don't know, but that's just my opinion. Like I said, if you don't like something that's aggressive, then this is great. I love to have scrubs. Like I want my regular cleansers and also scrubs. No, I didn't feel like my skin was super dry after. It just feels nice and clean. You know, I would love to try more of their products. I feel like it minimized the look of my blackheads. Absolutely not. And I have used it for a while, but that all depends how many blackheads do you have, how clogged your pores get. I have very oily skin. My skin gets super clogged, especially with masks and stuff. That's why it's very important to, if you wear makeup, to remove it very well. I have several skincare videos showing you like my nighttime routine, daytime routine, what I use, how I use it. I have a playlist with all the skincare products that I have reviewed for oily acne prone skin. Let me know if you've used this. What do you think about it? Okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!